Infiniti FX45, 35 are the same. We had a communication problem, U1000 or U1001 communication issue. We had wipers not working. Some other issues with the car. The engine fan goes on in a very loud mode. The remote control does not operate. Lights acting weird, gauges, the speedometer as well. The key is, the color is blinking, is red. The fan is on without having any control of it. Wipers don't work. Horn not working. Mirrors not working. So we have an issue. Try to fix it. I took the car apart. Infiniti FX45 with the code U1000 or U1001. Communication issues. We had all the lights on the car. The fan motor for the engine cooling, it was going very high RPM by itself, or the ignition was turned on. Same thing for the blower inside the car. You can see now it's quiet. The same thing at the outside, no warning lights on. Issue was fixed, wire was cut, car back to normal. So thank you for watching.